What if a huge and complicated sum involving factorials could collapse into a single clean expression? Stay with me, because this problem hides a powerful telescoping trick that will simplify everything. We want to determine the value of the following expression: the sum from n equals 1 to 100 of n squared minus n plus 1, all multiplied by n factorial. We begin by rewriting the expression n squared minus n plus 1. We add 1 and subtract 1 in a clever way. N squared minus n plus 1 is equal to n squared minus 1 minus n plus 2. This can be written as n squared minus 1 squared minus n plus 2. We factor the expression n squared minus 1 minus n plus 2. This becomes n plus 1 all multiplied by n minus 1 minus n minus 2. So the sum becomes the sum from n equals 1 to 100 of n plus 1 all multiplied by n minus 1 minus n minus 2 all times n factorial. Now we distribute n factorial to get the sum from n equals 1 to 100 of n plus 1 all multiplied by n minus 1 times n factorial minus n minus 2 all multiplied by n factorial. We observe that n plus 1 all multiplied by n factorial is equal to n plus 1 factorial. So the expression becomes the sum from n equals 1 to 100 of n minus 1 all multiplied by n plus 1 factorial minus n minus 2 all multiplied by n factorial. Let us define a function f of n equal to n minus 2 all times n factorial. Then f of n plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 all multiplied by n plus 1 factorial. So our sum becomes the sum from n equals 1 to 100 of f of n plus 1 minus f of n. If we expand this sum, we obtain f of 2 minus f of 1, plus f of 3 minus f of 2, plus f of 4 minus f of 3, and so on until f of 100 minus f of 99, plus f of 101 minus f of 100. All the middle terms cancel. So the expression becomes f of 101 minus f of 1. We recall that f of n equals n minus 2 all multiplied by n factorial. So f of 101 is equal to 101 minus 2 all multiplied by 101 factorial. F of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 all multiplied by 1 factorial. Thus, the expression becomes 99 multiplied by 101 factorial minus negative 1 multiplied by 1 factorial. This simplifies to 99 multiplied by 101 factorial plus 1. What looked like a massive sum turns out to collapse beautifully using a telescoping method. The final result is 99 multiplied by 101 factorial plus 1. If you learned from this elegant trick, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves clever mathematics as more powerful problem-solving techniques are coming next. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ. Using the link in the description, vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create videos, scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.